We'll first start with on. So with on, you might use it on pericardium 7 or pericardium 6. Stabilize chi at a point. You can also use this on lower abdomen points, threading them together. You kind of like twist till you grab some fibers and pull up and tape down to stabilize if there was a prolapsed uterus, for example. That's on. Chan is the technique you'd use to open the 8 extraordinary vessels, and with Chan you would insert and you would go to the yuan level, so meaning the deepest insertion of that particular point, or you just think that it's deep, and you give a subtle vibration. You see this is just a subtle vibration. Okay. You could do that on all the points on the trajectory that you're working with. Then we'll go to tan, the flick. So you've inserted a needle. And you flick. Or maybe you're just using one hand. Maybe you're having 2 points talk to each other, and you insert this one and that one moves. We'll go to Tui, which is push. That's going to be where you've inserted a needle and you're going to move that needle. For tonification, you're brushing or moving chi towards that needle. For dispersal, you might use a bigger movement and away from the needle, or you may go in the direction of the channel and against the channel. For pi, you're going to tap a point into place. For pun, you're going to do a circle with, as though you're stirring kanji. I'm going to circle and disperse by making big movements, moving up and out. Dispersing pun technique. Or you could do a tonifying circular from the shoulder, from the elbow, pun technique. You could circle and go more inward as well. Gua is the scrape. You're going to stabilize and you're going to scrape away or towards. That's gua. Cha is a scrub. It's kind of a wagging scrub. Na is could be tonifying or dispersing. Na is a movement of lift and thrust. Could be subtle, it could be bigger. This would be dispersing na. and maybe a more tonifying Na. Fe is the fly. We might have this inserted at lung 7 very shallowly to engage the Wei Qi and allow it to fly. It may just be ever so slightly inserted. Okay, not to that point.